Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to bulk create Canva designs. So let's get started. So as you can see, we are on our Canva. So now we need to select a template first. So let's just search for the template, and here is one of my templates. So I want to customize this template. Tap on the customize, and this will brings up to this page. So now we need to create a bulk design. So for that case, first of all, you need to go to the apps on the left side, tap on it, and then scroll it down until you find the bulk create option. So let me just mention you real quick that you need a pro account to create bulk. All right, rather than that, you can do that, just simply pay $5 and get a pro account for this. All right, so then from here, the bulk create, tap on the bulk create, and then now you can see you can upload like SVC file, TSV, XLSX, and many more files can be supported. For my case, I will go with the manual one, so enter data manually. So I will tap that, and then from here we need to just first let me just clear up the table for real quick, and now I want to add some of the codes. All right, so from here is my one of my codes. So I will copy this like that and then paste right over here. So that's how you can simply do. And then again, you need to tap here and rename the column name. So I will rename it as the codes like this, and this is pretty much it. Then tap on the done button. So now as you can see, we got another thing to do, what is right click on an element in your page to connect it to your data. So I want to connect this data to any of the elements like here. So from here I will select this one, and here you can see that connect data option. If it doesn't show you like this, you can simply right click on your mouse, and then from here go and select the connect data. So I will tap that on and then select the codes. All right, so tap on the codes and it is now connected. So now very simple guys. Now you will tap on the continue button, and then again generate 5 designs. Tap on that and it will start generating the option like this. As you can see, we got our designs, but as you can see we got the designs, but the font size doesn't match really good. So how you can now we need to manually make it smaller like this, and then from here go this thing and make it smaller to match it up like that. So that's how you can simply create bulk designs after doing all these things. So you can simply down all these together. How you can do that? Just simply tap on the share button right over here, and then tap on the download, and you need to select the size like the 1000 GB 1080p size. And then from here, this is the main thing guys, select pages. You need to tap on all pages. All right, so tap on that and you need to select this option, all pages, and you are good to go. Then simply tap on download and it will start downloading the whole folder for you. So if we just go and open this folder, and as you can see we got our 5 photos in just one click. So that's how you can simply download bulk create Canva designs. So hope this video helps you out. If it is, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not, and I will get you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.